Hey everyone, this is your girl Jessica. Welcome back to my channel again. I'm super excited to show you guys this review. I'm going to be reviewing this Out and About lip kits from Morphe. Yes, Morphe has some lip kits if you guys have not known. I actually did not know this until last month, unfortunately. Because I was doing a lip kit hunt since I'm currently using the Kylie Cosmetic ones, but they are a little pricey. I love Kylie, but they're a little pricey right now for me. So I went and came across to Morphe and I saw these and I had to get them, guys. So their price range is $16 each. Value price is $23. They have 6 style shades, which are the three nude shades and 3 of the redder shades as well. So I did grab these ones to show you guys, and also because I do not have any nude lipsticks, just maybe like 2 of them, but if you guys know me, I love a pop-in dark colorful lipsticks only. So these will be fun to actually wear. I did actually test these out before I did this video. I wanted to show you guys, I mean, like, you know, if they last a little longer or not. Unfortunately, they only lasted me for 3 hours top, and an hour and a half, I think, when I was like sipping coffee, eating. So they're not really long lasting. You do have to apply them again, but they are beautiful. I'm just gonna tell you that right now. So let's stay tuned and I'm gonna review these. I'm gonna swatch them and I'm gonna also show you guys how they look. I'm gonna be wearing the lipstick, the lip gloss, and the lip liner, and then another style will be just the lip liner and the lipstick as well, so you guys can see both of them, how they look. So let's stay tuned. All right, guys, so we're gonna start off with the blushing nude. So I'm gonna be going from light to dark, since this one's gonna be the darkest. So I'm gonna show you guys this one first, and this is the blushing nude. Okay, and I've noticed that Morphe always packs their stuff like this all the time, with some tissue paper all the time. I've noticed that. So we have the lip gloss right here. So I'm going to swatch this. You can see right there. And then I'm going to do, the liner. And the liner is going to be always like the darkest, so right there. And then we have our lipstick. I feel like the lipstick is like lighter than the lip gloss. So this is the lip cream, the liner, and the lip gloss right here. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys how it looks. Okay guys, so the next shade I'm going to be applying is the Nude Pink. This pink shade right here is more darker than the other one that we used. And I'm going to be swatching the lip gloss. Definitely more pink right here. And then I'm going to be applying the lip cream, more of like a mauve shade. Yeah, definitely. These are gonna be more like a mauve shade color. Let's see, and this is a lip liner right here. Lip gloss, lip cream, and the lip liner. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna be applying this, and I'll be right back. Okay, so last and not least, we have our Caramel Nude Lip Kit, and this is going to be darker than the rest of them I showed you guys. Oh wow, they actually packed it in a bag. Since we did get most of them with tissue paper, but it's fine. It's fine. Just keep up with this one. I like it. It's more easier. Okay, so the liner is more darker, as you can see. Let's swatch this baby out. Yeah, very dark. It's a dark brown. There. And then the lipstick is more of a caramelly color. Very nice. Right here. And then the lip gloss. Okay. So lip gloss, lipstick, liner. Yeah, definitely more of a caramel side. Okay, so I'm gonna wear them and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so this concludes the video for this Morphe Out in a Pout lip kit. I fortunately liked only 2 of the lip kits, and it's going to be the Caramel Nude and the Nude Pink. Yes, those were my top ones because they were more noticeable, more just me. That's more of my liking. Fortunately, I did not like the Blushing Nude. The Blushing Nude was just too plain, just too neutral, too just nude for my liking. But most of you guys will probably like this one. It's a really good one, like for an everyday wear. Like if you guys just want to pop some lashes and just add that lipstick, and that's it. But mostly this girl here likes just to have her lipstick bamming right now. But anyway, I'll see you guys on my next video. Hope you guys like this review, and just comment down below which is your favorite one, if you guys like the ones I liked or the one I didn't choose, unfortunately. But I would love to know, and yeah, I'll see you guys on my next video. I love you guys and keep slaying. Bye.